Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, introduce us from Group J. We'll present about modals. Then, this is the name of the first member of our group, Salsabila Alif Rizkia. The second is Anissa Sulistianingrum Asmi. The last is Laila Anissa Putri. Okay, the first, what are the modal verbs? They are auxiliary verbs that provide additional and specific meaning to the main verb of the sentence. Modal verbs are sometimes referred to as auxiliary verbs because they help other verbs. They are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, and ought to. Next, how do we use modals? Modals consist of three formulas, namely subject, modals, and verb. An example, is Mary could play the piano? With Mary as subject, could as modals, and play the piano as verb. They do not accept conjugation. They do not need other auxiliary verb.
I'm Salsabila will continue the presentation. In the modals, there is no as is singular. There is no do or does in the question. There is no done or doesn't in the negative. For example, he can ski or he can skis. Because in a single word there is no as, which is true, he can ski. Do you would like to come with me? Because in the question there is no do or does, then the correct one, would you like to come with me? Number 3, they don't can be serious. Because in a negative sentence there is no don't or doesn't, then it's true, they can't be serious. Next, modal verbs do not have infinitives or ing forms. Modal verbs are followed by an infinitive without to. For example, she must study. We should have gone the other way. He could play football in his youth. Dalam contoh ini, must, should, and could tidak ada tambahan ing atau diikuti to, karena itu merupakan kata kerja modal. Next, modal verbs do not have all the tenses. Modal verbs use other verbs to complete the tenses. Can is completed with be able to. Must is completed with have to. For example, they can play piano. Become, they will be able to play the piano in the future. Number 2, you must come early. Become, you had to come early yesterday. What they can express with modal is they can have more than one meaning depending on the situation. Okay, to understand it better, we are going to divide them into 3 categories. They are, the first is single concept modal, they have one meaning. The second, double concept modal, they have two meaning. And the third, modal in past, they are used to express a situation in the past. Next, and these are the categories of auxiliary verbs. In the single concept modal, there will, make, should, ought to, and had better. In the double concept modal, there may, must, would, shall, could, and can. In the modal in past, there would have, could have, might have, should have, may have, and must have.
Single concept modal. Modal will, concept future. Example, Joy will travel to NY next week. Modal might, concept small probability. Example, I might move to Canada someday. Modal should, concept recommendation. Example, you should go to the doctor. Modal ought to, concept formal recommendation. Example, we ought to know about first aid. Modal had better, concept warning. Example, I had better study or I will fail the test. Double concept modal. Modal may want, concept permission. Example, may I come in? Modal may do, concept good probability. Example, we might visit Mexico this summer. Modal must want, concept responsibility. Example, everyone must pay tax. Modal must do, concept assumption. Example, she didn't arrive, she must be sick. Modal would want, past used to. Example, when I was young, I would play soccer. Modal would do, concept present and real. Example, I would buy the car, but I can't afford it. Modal shall want, concept educate expression over. Example, excuse me, I shall go now. Shall I clean it? Modal shall do, concept contractual obligation. Example, the company shall pay on January 1st. Modal could want, concept unreliability. Example, I could go if I had time. Modal could do, past ability. Example, she could play the piano, not anymore. Modal can want, concept present ability. Example, we can speak English. Modal can do, permission. Example, can I have a sweet? Modal in the past. Their modal referred to action that happened in the past. Modal plus have plus verb in past participle. Example, 1. It must have been a difficult decision. 2. They should have invited her to their wedding. Thank you very much for your watching. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us.